Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today. I have a small Walmart haul, but why it's different is because I found everything in store. That's right, I went in there, I had to make a return on one of the free assembly dresses from my last haul, and I was gonna pick up groceries. Well, while I was in there, I realized they're now carrying a bunch of the free assembly top selling items in my local Walmart. So of course I had to grab like 6 different things, including a couple of accessories. So let's get right into the haul. This first item that I'm wearing is a free assembly, kind of 3/4 length romper. Now, I cannot believe that I love this as much as I do because I truly stay away from rompers 9 times out of 10 because of the shape that I have. It's very hard to find something that fits properly here without looking frumpy or without going into places that I don't want it to go. This is a size medium. It is a linen rayon blend, or should I say a rayon linen blend. It is about 70-ish% rayon, 30% linen. I wouldn't say it's the absolute softest material. It does have a tiny bit of a scratch to it, but I'm not uncomfortable in it. And I know as the weather cools, I'll definitely be more comfortable in it and be fine. But it's a size medium. It's $34, I believe, full price. It fits, guys. I love it. It has just nice openings here. It has pockets. The belt hits exactly where it's supposed to, and this is the kicker. It's elasticized in the back, and the belt is attached only on the sides. So you can actually move, grow, do whatever you gotta do, have a really great dinner one night, and then you just tie it, and you can even tie it off center if you want. I've just been kind of tying it in the front. It does fully button down all the way so you can get in and out of it very easily. But as with any romper, you're gonna have to take everything off to go to the restroom. So that's not always ideal, but hey, you get like a one-stop shop outfit. I love the sleeves. Oh, it's just so flattering in so many ways. Has a collar, so you could pop the collar if you really wanted to. It's a little floppy, but it works. And I decided to pair it with something a little crazy for me. These are Time and Tru booties, and I actually got these, I believe, last winter from Walmart in like a snakeskin print. But I think it works, and I think this is gonna be such a cute outfit during the fall. This free assembly dress is a size small. It is 100% cotton, and it's a mix between what I would call a true cotton material and a poplin cotton. It doesn't seem to wrinkle very easily, but it's not quite as stiff as a true poplin cotton. Again, if this looks familiar to you, if you've seen my other hauls, it's because it's the same exact dress as the one I featured on my last Walmart haul that was a very bright orange. I featured that in a size medium, and unfortunately that was the one return I was making, and I was considering reordering and trying again until I found this color in store. They actually had the orange and the blue and white striped. So I grabbed this, again, $36, free assembly. I grabbed it in a size small, which is sizing down for me in this brand, but I think it fits better because of all of the ruching and because of the cut here. The medium was just a little bit big, and I felt like I could wear the blue and white stripe much longer and well into the fall season. Because right now I have it, you know, I could pull my hair up, I could pull it off the shoulder, and I have it with my favorite Birkenstocks, super simple for summer. But in the fall, you know, you could easily pull it up a little bit. You could throw a jean jacket or a scarf, and I think it's gonna look so cute with like a neutral shade of booties. I think that would just be an adorable look for the fall with a fun hat. I was so excited to see this top in store. Again, free assembly brand, $16 and 100% cotton. They did not have my usual size medium, so I took a chance on the small, and I'm so glad I did. I have so much room. So I would say you might consider sizing down on this if you want just like a normal fit. It is going to be a boxy, oversized fit if you get your true to size. I love this top. Even though it's 100% cotton, it has that total French terry kind of feel to it. So I love this because I don't know, it's just like a throwback fabric for me, you know, being a child growing up in the 80s, but yet it works really well in cooler climates and warmer climates, and it's just soft and comfortable. I love the fit on it. Even though it's boxy, it still cuts to me on the right length, and it has little side slits. It has really cute, like in between regular and cap sleeves. So, and it kind of flares out a little bit. So I like how it fills out my top half here, but yet it doesn't cut in or make my arms look any wider. I love the V-neck because it's totally appropriate for just about anything, but yet you can still wear necklaces and show those off. It does have a cute little collar. I did pair it with those Free Assembly jeans that I purchased and had in my last haul, the pink ones. You guys, these are so good. This 99% cotton, but they feel so soft that I actually wore them on a 3-hour car ride. And I never wear jeans on my road trips. And I was so comfortable in these. They are amazing. They hold up well. I don't usually wash my jeans in the traditional way. So for them to look like this after a 3-hour car ride and being worn all day, these jeans are great. So shout out to those. I will put the link below. Love them. Before we move on to the next clothing item, I wanted to talk about this bag. It is a 100% cotton tote bag, and it's more of like a carry-on. It also says that it is man-made materials on the inside, and it doesn't tell me what that is. So I'm hoping it's water resistant. It is the No Boundaries brand, and it is $24.97. The reason why I took a shot at this is because I need a bag that actually can hook onto the back of a suitcase. I had to get a new suitcase recently, and my other bag just doesn't quite fit on it right. This one's one of those ones that you can just roll straight around. So I wanted a bag that I could slide on and not lose. So I decided to try this. And for 25 bucks, I think it's a pretty good deal. It's not perfect, but I did want to, just quickly show you guys this because for those of you who maybe don't travel a ton, but you do need a bag like this, I think that this would work well. Also, I think it works really great if, say, you have to carry things to work and back. Maybe you pack your exercise clothes, or you teach, or you just have a lot of gear that needs to go one way or another. It has a lot of compartments. So I have it showing with 2 different water bottles. This is the normal size Hydro Flask that fits inside, and this is like a swell bottle, just to show you that it actually is capable of that. But I will take those out, and then I will show you a little bit closer up. It also has this full flip down, like plastic, what I call like a toiletry bag that's actually connected. So that's super cool, especially if you're gonna be traveling or taking things in and out of places. You might wanna put like your deodorants or soaps or things that might leak in here. And so that's just a great feature for this. It also has just a small slip pocket as well that has that lining in it that you could easily throw maybe like passports or, more important documents that you need and you need to be able to grab quickly. And then again, it has like 100%, what I would say, I believe this is a cotton type of strap. So that is comfortable and it's fully adjustable. It is also fully removable, which is great because not everybody likes these. And if you wanted something more substantial or more fun and bright, you could easily swap these out. I know a lot of people that collect different straps for their purses and bags, so you could swap that out, no problem. On the back end, this is for your luggage to put on top of your suitcase, but these are actually open pockets. So again, easy grab and go, little snacks or whatnot. And then fully inside has the little pretty material in it, has another zipper pocket here. And then this side has like just little slider pockets. So really you could keep this fairly organized. And for $25, you really can't beat that. The only downfall I would say to this is that the outside is 100% cotton, meaning if you were going to put it down somewhere, it could easily get wet or stained on the outside. So I would personally spray like a Scotch Guard or something on this if I was going to use this long term. With the all black, it does seem to pick up a little bit of lint, but they had multiple different color options online. Again, I grabbed the black one in store, and I think they only had one color option in store. This next piece is a Free Assembly dress. It's normally priced $24, but I got it on clearance for $15, which is pretty good deal. It is 95% cotton with a 5% spandex, so it definitely has a little bit of that athletic kind of stretchy knitwear kind of a feel to it. Again, super bright color, but for $15, I think what I would use this for is more of like a swimsuit cover up, or kind of like one of those little throw on dresses. I call them modern muumuus, because you know, back in the day we had these like crazy long dresses that our moms and grandmothers would wear just when it was really hot and they just didn't really want to be wearing anything else while they were at home. So I kind of would do this with it. It is very short. To me, it does hit well on my arms, if you see that. So it's doable, but I know that I would be going like this all day long. I'm not wearing shapewear with it because I wanted you to see how it really fits a pear-shaped body type. I think this would actually look so much better on somebody that has a little bit more of like like a V shape or a straight body type, because I think it creates a V in some ways here with this sleeve, and then also it does flare out a bit. But for me, I don't need any extra fabric here, and I do have a waist that I like to accentuate, and it does kind of like bunch out here a little bit. I did pull my hair up because I want you to see the back. It is a cute back. I think they're doing this quite a bit with Free Assembly this season. One of my favorite knit white tops has that same tie up in the back as well. And I do like that because you really can adjust it and pull it in a little bit more if you needed to, or loosen it and have it kind of fit a little wider and be really cute. This is again a Free Assembly piece. It is a 60-40 blend, 60% cotton, 40% recycled polyester, I believe. It does come in more than one color. And for those of you who don't even want to look at sweatshirts, you have to understand where we live. It's great to buy sweatshirts in the summer because it's boiling hot where we are. So we actually go to the beach to cool off. Most of our beaches in the northern and central California coast are like 60 degrees during the day and like 40 to 50 at night. So that's our reprieve during the middle of the summer, and so that's why I'm always picking up sweatshirts, if truth be told. I also, of course, love wearing them all through the winter time here. This is just what we can get away with. We have pretty mild winters. So that being said, I am sweating right now. I love this sweatshirt. I got it in a size medium. It's a little bit on the boxy loose side, but I kind of love this because then I'm not fussing with a waistband that is sucked in. I, can just wear it and throw it over any kind of jeans or pants. Super comfortable. Look at the collar on this. That's why I have my hair pulled up though. It actually is like a high neck sweatshirt. It has true working buttons, so when you're freezing you can button it all the way up and have like this really modern look. You can also unbutton just the top two and have it kind of folded down for a very classic look, but then of course you can have it buttoned all the way down, open it up, show your necklace. Love that they have options. Look at the pockets on this. They're actually like a kangaroo pocket, but I love that it doesn't kind of look like that. It's just a cleaner line. It's so well made, so comfortable, perfect weight. It's fleecy inside, and I just paired it with my white Free Assembly jeans that I've had forever. This is what I would look like on the beach in California. I'd have my reef sandals on, some jeans, and a sweatshirt, and I'd be good to go. This last piece is the cutest little Time and True top. It's $9.98. I love Time and True for that reason. 100% cotton, and I loved the color because I can wear this today with, whatever I want basically. So I threw it on with jeans because, believe it or not, I don't currently own jean shorts, but you get the idea from here up, right? It would look so cute with some jean shorts, your hair pulled up, or with a fun hat and your sandals. But because of the color scheme and because of the higher neck, it easily moves into fall. And I love that this is like a good piece that you could wear and get away with in some work environments, including like teaching, or if they're more of an informal work environment, because you could tuck it in and very easily wear it with like some nicer pants or some slacks, whatever it is, or a cute skirt. And then if you needed to, you could throw something over the top, like a lightweight blazer or a cute jacket. I think it would just work really well. And I love that it has like a little bit of a flutter sleeve, but it's very calm, I like to call it. It does have a little bit of a wider opening on the back, but I don't think anything's really showing. I think it's fine. Yeah, I love it. I'm wearing a regular bra, super cute. I got it in my true size for Time and True, which is a small or 4 to 6, and I have plenty of room in it. So I would definitely consider sizing down unless you have like a really large bust. but I'll pull back and show you the length on it. So on me, I have a very short torso, so it is gonna hang longer. But again, it's not terrible if you did want your shirt to hang out a little bit. And it doesn't have a ton of material. So tucking it in or front tucking it also is, you know, for me, that's just what I normally do with my tops. So I like that look a little bit better, and it makes it real easy. But again, it would be super cute with like high-waisted jeans or like paper bag jeans or shorts. Love this. I think it's so cute. That does it for today's haul with my in-store finds, especially from Free Assembly. I was so excited. Walmart, if you're listening, please carry more of the Free Assembly line in your stores. They are wonderful. They are such gems. I'm so glad I found all these pieces, and it just, you know, it makes things so much easier when you can find things in store. You can try them on, you can see the different color options, and you can truly see if something works for you or not. Like the romper, I would have never bought that otherwise online. So I'm really excited, and I'm just glad that I found these pieces. Let me know in the comments below, did you find any favorite pieces in this haul? And make sure you hit like and subscribe before you go. See you soon.